Alright guys, today we're going to be doing the PCV valve on the Hyundai Genesis. This is a BK1. Yeah, we're going to be replacing the PCV valve. PCV valve is right here. This right here. You literally remove all of this and it's right there. Take the hose off. That's it. So we're using a 9/16. And then you just unbolt the PCV valve or unscrew it. Okay, we're taking out the PCV valve. You can see this is the old one. Here, shake it. So you don't hear anything, only slightly. Now we shake the new one. That's so much better than the old one. So you can tell that one was a bit worn out. And it was same way it goes in. You just screw it in. You use your 9/16, just tighten it up. Okay, let's say you just screw it in, and then you just put the cover back over it. Okay, and put the hose back in. And so that's your PCV valve. That's an easy replace on this. Not much needed. Literally right here, unscrew it out, put the new one in. That's it. On that, you're good to go. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment.